Good day, everyone. My name is Frederic Salini. I am one of the developers of Audit Monitor. Today, I want to show you how you can use Audit Monitor for identification of safety critical elements for your project. So let's start. I put my login name and my password, and then I click on login. There is a user guide in the Audit Monitor here. You can click on safety critical elements and see the PowerPoint presentations about the safety critical elements. A safety critical element is any part of an establishment or installation that have a significant role in control of major hazards and limitation from fire and explosion, etc. So I want to show you how you can use the Audit Monitor database to identify your safety critical element for your project. As you see here, these are the generic safety critical element in the industry that is in Audit Monitor. You can also click on New and add by industry expert, and for example FLNG is and then for example you can say about the system. For example, there are the system, and then you can say by subsystem. Well, that's the subsystem. These are the subsystem of the system. You can write the components and then up to the tag level. And then you can add attach file and web link, etc. You can save, and will be registered as one of the generic safety critical elements will be added here. So if a project wants to assess their critical system in their installation, they can go through these safety critical elements, and then for example for this depressurization system, blow down flare, they just click here. I just forgot to show you here this icon. First item is the view item. This is for entry and giving comments or for approval of any of these entries, and the other one is for action plan, how you can action plan for the safety critical element for management of this for the life cycle of the project. So here, for example, in the pressurization, here you see this one. You want to choose this one. You know that it is critical for your project, and you say copy, and your company, and you think it is critical. You don't uncheck this one, and you give a tag number to this. For example, you say it is BDV 2005. For example, and you can put the component here, you can put attach file and anything, and this will be available to everyone that you think that it is critical, and it is for installation C. And you save it. When you save this, here there is a view by, and we can go to installation C. And we see that this is the entry that you put here. And by this way, you can add all the critical system in your project. Then you can send the link here. When you click on send the link, you can communicate it to all involved parties in the project for the review and comments. And you can print it and export it if you would like. So there is for all of these critical systems, when it will be generated, then you can plan it. For example, for this one, you can assign the activities and tasks. for example, you want something about about the testability of this. Testability, and you want you put it here. This is an activity that you have to do about the testability of this Blouson valve. Somebody should write something for the performance standards. Then you here, for example, you write BDV, testability, and you want that this action will be will be finished in 1 month's time. And the reason is you want it earlier because creations of the performance standards for the safety critical element is a multidisciplinary task, and it should be managed properly for the project. So when you put the saver task, so for the BDV testability will be here, not started yet, but you want assign to responsible for this. You click on BDV and you edit this, and you assign this to, for example, other monitor or Frederick Salimi, and if you can also notify them by email, or it goes to their mobile, and then you save this. So when you save this, this action, this task goes to the other monitor and Frederick Salimi, and all the relevant, all the activity tasks registered here by the company, contractors, consultant, anything will come to your task log here, and you will see it is here, and you can see by the status or by assignment. So this task is given to 2 persons, and one is audit monitor, and the other one is Frederick Salimi, and you can close this task. For example, here, click on this, and you say mark it complete, that it is finished, this task. So this is the way that the safety critical element works. And the same things as you click on the performance standards, for all the safety critical elements, there should be a performance standards about the functionality, availability, survivability, and dependency. Again, for all of, there is 2 icons in front of each for planning. For example, if you want for this, you create a for example, this performance standard should be a test review for this. You click on the here, and you can say, okay, the test operation, and you can assign the test for this at the time that sorry, save it, and and then you put it here, and then again the same thing, you can assign the task for that person. So we have, if you have any questions, please click on Ask an Expert and click on New, and you put your question, and an expert will answer to you. When you ask a question, there will be an answer like this. You can see these from here. You can see the questions, and from here you can see the expert answer. We, if there is, sorry, if there is a expert need create a webinar, you register it here, and then you can click here and put in you and put your as a register, and there will be when there is a WebEx meeting. The only things that you need to know is, for example, for this oncoming meeting, identification of safety critical elements, you get the meeting ID, and when you have the meeting ID at the date that it is there, you just click on the join web meetings, and you enter into the meeting and communicate with the expert about, and you can ask your questions. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and if you would like to become one of the to use Audit Monitor, you should become a member. When you enter in hsc.webexam.com, you click on request an invitation, write your name, email, and your reason to join Audit Monitor. An administrator open an account for you, and you can enter. And I hope that you enjoy to identify your critical elements for your project and manage it properly. Have a very good day, and wish you to be one of our valuable members. Bye now.